Hey, what's up YouTube? So in this video I'm gonna show you how to run a wire through the firewall, just in case you needed to do anything with the wire. It's gonna be a quick video, and this is gonna be on a 2007 Jeep Compass. All right, let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna go in at, just so you have an idea before I even lift it up in the air. I just want to show you where I'm going with it. Alright, so under the pedal, I pulled the carpet back here pretty much, and as you can see under there, it's right there through that little, let's see if I can get back there so you can see it right there. So under the driver pedal, under the, the gas pedal, right behind it, there's a little opening right there that you can go in through that little boot back there. All right. Okay, so now I got the car up in the air, and I want to just show you right where you're going at. Like if you go up under the car, I'll turn around, and it's that like nipple sticking out right there. You can you see it right here. I'm gonna go right up in there on the side. Let's see. Let's kill it this way. Stick it right up in there. Alright, just keep pushing it through there, till you feel you can get it from the other side. Yeah, so I pretty much pulled it up, but there it goes right there. As you can see it. And then I just pulled it out, popped it out, got it here. So now you can pretty much do what you want to do in the cab with it. So that was just a little quick video, just to show you how I went about finding a spot on the firewall to, get the wire through. So, if you got anything out the video, like and subscribe. All right, thanks.